Ever found yourself staring at the Uphold deposit screen, credit card in hand, wondering if this one will finally work? You're not alone. Navigating the world of cryptocurrency and fiat currency integration can sometimes feel like deciphering an ancient language. So, the burning question on many minds is, what credit cards does Uphold actually accept? Let's dive into this and clear up the confusion. Uphold, for those unfamiliar, is a platform that allows you to buy, sell, and hold a variety of assets, from cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum to precious metals and even fiat currencies. The ability to fund your account quickly and conveniently using a credit card is a major draw for many users. However, the landscape of credit card acceptance on platforms like Uphold can be a bit nuanced. It's not as simple as a blanket yes or no to all major credit card brands. The reality is that Uphold primarily accepts major credit card providers. Think of the big players, Visa and MasterCard. These are generally the most widely accepted credit cards for funding your Uphold account. But here's where it gets a little more specific. While Visa and MasterCard are generally accepted, the actual success of a transaction can depend on a few other factors. One key aspect is the issuing bank of your credit card. Some banks may have restrictions or policies in place that could prevent transactions with cryptocurrency platforms or other financial services. This isn't necessarily Uphold's doing, but rather a decision made by your bank. Another factor to consider is your geographical location. Acceptance policies can sometimes vary depending on the country you reside in. Uphold operates globally, but regulations and partnerships can differ from region to region. Therefore, a credit card that works seamlessly in one country might face limitations in another. Furthermore, the type of transaction you're attempting can also play a role. While depositing funds into your Uphold account is a common use case for credit cards, purchasing specific assets directly with a credit card might have different rules or limitations. It's always a good idea to check the specific options available within the Uphold platform when you're initiating a transaction. So, while Visa and MasterCard are your most likely candidates for successful credit card funding on Uphold, it's crucial to understand that the final decision often rests with your bank and can be influenced by your location and the specific transaction you're trying to make. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information, the best course of action is always to check directly within your Uphold account during the funding process. The platform will typically display the accepted payment methods available to you based on your account and location. You might also find helpful information in Uphold's official help center or FAQs. In summary, while Uphold generally accepts Visa and MasterCard credit cards, the success of a specific transaction can be influenced by your issuing bank and your geographical location. Always verify the accepted methods within the Uphold platform for the most accurate information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.